Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Neuronal communication is the process by which information is transmitted and received by neurons, the specialized cells that make up the nervous system. This process is essential for the functioning of the nervous system, as it allows neurons to communicate with each other and with other cells in the body. The human nervous system is a complex network of billions of neurons that are connected to each other through a series of pathways called axons and dendrites. These pathways allow neurons to transmit and receive information in the form of electrical and chemical signals. When a neuron receives a stimulus, it sends an electrical impulse down its axon, a long, thin projection extending from the cell body. The electrical impulse travels along the axon until it reaches the end, where it triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters then cross the tiny gap between the axon and the dendrite of the next neuron, a process known as neurotransmission. The dendrites of a neuron are short, branching projections that receive incoming signals from other neurons. When a neurotransmitter binds to a receptor on the dendrite, it triggers an electrical impulse that travels through the neuron's cell body and down its axon. This process is known as an action potential. There are many different types of neurotransmitters, each of which has a specific function in the nervous system. Some examples include acetylcholine, which is involved in muscle control and memory, dopamine, which plays a role in reward and pleasure, and serotonin, which regulates mood and sleep. Neuronal communication is essential for the functioning of the nervous system, as it allows neurons to transmit and receive information that is needed for the body to respond to stimuli and carry out various functions. Dysregulation of neuronal communication can lead to various neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and depression. Research into neuronal communication is ongoing, and scientists are constantly learning more about how this process works and how it can be disrupted. Understanding the mechanisms of neuronal communication is important for developing treatments for neurological disorders and improving our understanding of the brain and the nervous system. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.